এখানে অ্যাসেসর চাষে শিখে ফেলেছে, আর যিনি অ্যাসেসি তিনি চাষ শিখছেন। এই হলো পার্থক্য, খুব বেশি পার্থক্য না, হয়তো একদিন আগের মাস অথবা 2 দিন আগে অথবা 7 দিন আগে পার্থক্যের মতো। ওনারা জাস্ট আগে থেকে জানেন, আর আপনার জাস্ট এই মুহূর্তে সেটা জানার আগে শেষ করবেন। এই হলো পার্থক্য। তো আমরা মনে হয় you can declare the result. Overall result very nice. Okay. But only 2% is not yet completed. But not failed. Yeah. If we evaluate them say as traditional way, they may get 60% marks, 50% marks like that. But in CBT system, that option is not like in one. Here, every person should have to perform the actual work testing. The critical aspect of competency must be performed as per standard. That is the criteria. That's why only 2% are not competent. One of them for demonstration part, another one only for written portion. So now I am declaring the result. Then hand over the stars. Mr. Saidul Rahman, competent. Reset the video. Repeat Amsan Farooq. শেষ হয় নাই, আপনি বলে এসে ক্যামেরায় কাজ করেন। She did fantastic job. Very good. Performance is not limited. There is no limit. What level you perform? Every person should have committed it up to the workplace level, but should we be beyond that? Shahina first. Wow. So if you say you have to be assessed on only for written portion. This demonstration is quite okay, but you have to establish a little bit, and we are hoping that you will be competent. Very soon. একটু পড়াশোনা করুন, সমস্যা আমরা চেষ্টা করলাম, কিন্তু আপনারা নিয়ে আসতে পারলাম না। Mahmudullah Al Mamun. Very people. Camera is very slow.
Sir, the live video is going on, so you don't need to worry for it.
Oh, thank you very much. Melina Kondakar. আমরা মেরিনা কন্দকারের জন্য স্পেশালি whole training program. দেখো বিশেষণী খান দেখো
This one is special. This is special.
So they can't doing all the demonstration.
so special thanks.
Bahuma Stuti.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Tony, Bahuma Stuti.
Mr. Rajiv Hassan. Rajiv, demonstration में repeat करते हैं तो इस आपने नहीं है
Here is okay. Demonstration.
वो किसी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है अपन होना चाहिए तो आपको पता लगता है Anwar Hussain Mr. Anwar Hussain, you are more confident that when you are assessing, you should have to be serious. উনি এত বেশি কনফিডেন্ট মনে করছে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আমরা 1 ঘন্টা সব করে দেবো আর এখানে কিন্তু অনেক প্রসেস দেখা হয় যার ফলে আপনাদেরকে বেশিরভাগ সময় যেখানে থামিয়ে দিয়ে দিয়েছি স্পেসিফিকেশন দিয়ে করেন ওজন করেন এগুলো না হলে কিন্তু আজকে এই অবস্থা আসতে পারতাম না I did that 3 or 4 times. Please follow the
This is the level 1. I think you will follow the advice of the officer in the next level.
You are doing well.
But must be
Follow the method. Follow the specification.
When you are assessing, this is another part of it.
Time bound also.
Another part of that. Not only time bound, because you should have to follow every instruction, every OS practices. Paula Joseph Ligan. So, thank you very much all of you. And from BTV part, I would like to special thank Mr. Francis De Silva.
আপনাদের মাধ্যমে আমরা সবার পক্ষ থেকে বলতে চাচ্ছি যে আমাদের এই ট্রেনিংকে সাকসেসফুল করার জন্য যারা মানে এই 10 দিন 100% এফোর্ট দিয়েছে আমাদের ট্রেনার তারপর আমাদের ট্রেনিংটা আমরা সবাই তাদেরকে আমরা
Okay. On behalf of the ILMSA project, I would like to offer my sincere gratitude and thanks to all of you. Especially trainers and also you are working very hard. Last week you are outstanding. So I think that's why we are now in a good position and we got the good result. Thank you, Francis. Thank you so much. Yes, you are all very busy person. Mr. Tony Khan, you are very busy person. All, thank you very, very much.
It was very much difficult to conduct assessment today, as because before assessment, your center will have to declare an assessment center. That was done when assessment is going on. I just told to Mr. Chairman, please sign the paper. Then he signed that thing. Otherwise it will be proceed.
We have to thank for that for NHTTI and also Seroju for taking the initiative. It is done within 1 week. I think within 1 week, we have to get the RTO standard.
And also additional thank you to this
They were the backbone of our training.
Part of the house. Part of the house. Yes.
I think in SDF is also here. I think he was very excellent, he provided excellent support. Whatever I asked him to sign, without showing clearly. Today actually I got problem, so whatever you need, just be asking. So that is the Indian culture conversion. I think it's very excellent.
But you should have to modify something here to tell you.
I will do it, we'll do it.
So we look forward for
You should have to tell the washing machine. Especially if you don't have the washing machine. It's a